Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be insert the record in that table what we create here. So I just import java.sql library, which is so important to create the database. Then public static void main and string arguments. Now connection fee which is equal to null and statement which is equal to null. We have two variables here, c and the statement which is also equal to null. Okay, now exceptions here. Try. So try is class dot for name, and for name here is it's better to copy this and class for name, and this is Sqlite driver, and then connection address. C dot set auto commit, and which is false. So auto commit here is false, and system.out.println, and the println here is open database. Okay, now I just execute this statement which is equal to c dot create a statement, and then string sql which is equal to insert. Remember that insert is used to insert the record. So insert into company where id, name, age, address, and salary. Okay, and then here I just write the values. So the values means when you just create the statement, so the statement syntax is insert into the data table name, and then the values means add what are you going to add the values in the database. So one means our primary key here, one, then the name is Khan, then the age of Khan is 25, and then it's a string, so use in the quotation, so it is in Oman, and then the salary range here is 50,000, and I just choose this one. Okay, now close this syntax, and here also close this syntax, and then statement dot execute update. Okay, and update is SQL. I just add one record so far. Statement closed, then c dot commit, then c dot close. Okay, catch exception e, and this is exception e, and then system dot out dot println, and the println here is e dot get class and get name, then colon here, colon here, and then e dot get message. System dot out dot println, and the println here is record created. Okay, paste this, and here I just write system dot exit, which is 0, and here yes plus. Okay, now I just run this code. So you can see open database record is created. Now let's check this database here. Open, check, and this is browse the data. Yes, you can see here ID 1 Khan 25 Oman and 5 sorry 50 100. Now I just copy this and yes this one, and here insert into the company, and ID name is Fayaz, age is 25, Oman, and the salary here is 20,000. Now just check with the same primary key. You can see its exception here because we already used this primary key. So I just change it, and yes, and it's and here you can see our record is created with the two databases. Run this code. Primary key 1 Fayaz, and the age is 32, Oman, and 50,000. Then Fayaz 25, Oman, and 120. Here add one another record which is SQL, which is equal, and copy this record here and then paste it here. Sorry, copy this and paste it here with 3, and here I just write Fayaz Khan, and the age is 26, Oman, and the salary is 40,000. Run this code, and you can see here our SQL consists primary key, primary key consists failed, and the consist failed dot company ID wait. And you can see here when I just open this record again, and this one, so Fayaz 32, Oman 25, and Fayaz Khan which is 26, and Oman which is 40. It's give us an error when we are just adding the record here, but we are not open this record, means a new record. So that's why our database become in busy state. You can see here it is in busy state. Okay, and when I just open this database here, and then I just execute this database again, and sorry, here I just click on the records and delete that record, and delete that record, and then I just open this. Sorry, here I just tried open this database, and here I just run this code again, and you can see open database and record is created. Now I just refresh this, so our record is come here. So this is a simple example of insert operations in Sqlite in Java. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.